Greetings. February 10th, 2013. Ozzy and I are out for a high-intensity, brutal snowshoe trek. The blizzard of 2013 was truly unprecedented in this region. 2 to 3 feet of snow fell over widespread areas of Connecticut. I am now snowshoe trekking through 2 to 3 feet of fresh powder. Sometimes the snow's a little deeper due to drifting because the intense northerly winds blowing off the lake during the storm have really pumped a lot of snow right here on this side of the lake. We're here on the shore of Connecticut's Mono Pond. The scenery is spectacular. It is surreal. I've never seen this much snow from one storm. I've seen it from two, back 2 years ago in January 2011, but not from one. There's Ozzy working his way behind me. I've got my high capacity 25-inch Yukon Charlie snowshoes designed for this type of terrain and snow conditions. But it's a tough go. I'm working as hard as if I was doing a tempo training run right now. Very tough, lots of fun. Have a great day.